Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm beyond excited to share with you a leap year special that is too good to pass up. We're offering an exclusive discount on all our Germania models for the entire month of February. Now let's walk through some of the amazing features you'll find in all 4 models in our range, and then we will look at the distinct features each model offers. No matter which model you choose, you can trust Germania for quality, performance and style. To take advantage of our leap year discount, I have dropped our WhatsApp and website details below in the description.